What is up everybody, it's Eli Auto Cosplay here, and today is kind of like a part 2 of the Toga Himiko cosplay unboxing video. This time it is the wig. This arrived today and it has taken me quite a while to be able to actually obtain this because I had to clean my room beforehand. But I am so excited to open this and see how it fits. I promise unboxing videos aren't going to be the only types of videos that are on this channel. I'll do makeup videos, I'll do like skits and stuff with my friends and CMVs and stuff. It's just COVID, number one. Number two, I lack the creative juices at the moment, and 3, this is the only exciting thing that has happened to me that is worth filming. So yeah. Anyway, let's get this open. And yeah, it is already open because it was posted by my sister's name, and so we didn't know if it was something that she had ordered or if it was my thing. So we had to check. But let's get this open, shall we? My Hero Academia Himiko ... app for women, lady, girl, new. Okay. Anyway, let's get this out of the bag. I just realised it didn't come with a wig cap. Well, it's alright, I've got one here and I've got tons of them already, so not really a big deal, but at the same time it's nice to get a new wig cap with a wig. That's one sad thing, I guess. Oh, and here are the buttons. We'll open the buttons once I get the wig on. It's very silky, very smooth. I'm really curious actually, because I wonder if I need to like style it a bit more. But it kind of reminds me of Yurio wig from Yuri on Ice. But yeah, it's very smooth. Don't know why I did that. Anyway, let me get the wig cap on and let's try it on. Let's put that down there. I'm gonna take my hair down. And yes, this is my natural hair. I don't usually make videos with my natural hair because it gives me a lot of dysphoria, but I am going to be putting a wig on, so I couldn't really take a wig off and then put another wig on. I kind of just want to show you all the authentic stretch. Pull over the ears, and then this is a trick that I saw where you pull this part. Fuck, where's it? Pull this part and then you tuck it. And work! I look like an idiot. Oh, I saw a really cool trick. I'm gonna try and do that and then absolutely fail at it. Okay. I look like Tanaka. Oh my god, I should do a Tanaka cosplay. Okay, that's the best I can do. I've admitted defeat because it has pulled out some baby hairs now. Anyway, time to put on the wig. Okay. I think I might have to. This looks a bit long. Jesus. Okay. Is it on? I think it's on. Yeah, it's on. Okay. I can just about see, and it's through this little gap. Oh my god. I look awful. Remind me never to go blonde or to cut my hair like this. I need to trim it for sure. I need to trim the fringe, definitely. Sia who? Sia who? I'm gonna push the bangs to one side because I cannot see. Oh Jesus, that is hilarious. Now it looks like Yurio. I could do a Yurio cosplay with this, that would be great. Oh Jesus. Okay, let's get the buns out. I've never used buns or clips before. Oh, I don't want to ruin it, I just got it. I'm gonna like fluff it out because it looks a bit, I don't know, dead. What does this do? I don't know. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Oh, hi. I'm Himiko Toga. Oh lord, I need to style this. Oh lord almighty. Hello. Hi. Okay, but like the buns, kinda cute, not gonna lie, kinda cute. The fringe definitely needs worked on, but I am really happy with this. It sits nicely on my head, I really like that, and it's very smooth. And I can't wait to style it properly and not be as cursed as I am right now in it. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with this and I can't wait to actually get into the proper cosplay. Costume and everything, makeup. I can't wait. It's probably gonna be the one cosplay. It's probably gonna be one of my favorite cosplays. Sorry, Bakugo. Probably going to be one of my favorite cosplays. Probably the second cosplay I've done that has a full costume, Morgana being the first. I actually have a lot of things planned for Toga, such as I'm thinking of making the neck piece of hers and putting on her like villain outfit, because you have her normal everyday outfit, which is the schoolgirl, sailor schoolgirl outfit, and then you have what she wears when she goes on missions, and I plan to make that, and that will be my first actual crafting. So I'm really excited to see how that goes. Obviously I'll be using as much help as I can get, but yeah, I'm actually really excited for this. Kind of reminds me of the wig kind of reminds me of, I don't know the name of the anime, but it's the one with the two girls. I think they're twins. One of them has pink hair, one of them has purplish blue. And it's like, yeah, I don't know. I'm rambling. I'm gonna do the outro with the wig on, because go hard or go home, you know? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out and it gives me motivation to post more videos. Go follow my TikTok, my Instagram, they'll be in the description down below. And also in the description will be links to my wish list, where you can help me out by getting me some stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye. After finishing with the recording, I went on and held an hour-long TikTok live of me styling the wig. Link in the description for my TikTok. After quite a few trials and tribulations, I was able to trim the fringe to an acceptable length. So excited to cosplay this girl, and I hope you all love her as much as I do.
Watch it, think it's funny till y'all get addicted, turn into a zombie. it's funny. She going ham on my dick, sitting on stand on my dick.
I had just put on the wig. I had no idea what I looked like.